My name is Pete. I own a digital marketing company in Frankfurt, Germany. My passion is to teach you how to make money online. Alright, so head over to ecomd.com and then hit submit. And when you're here, you can fill in the details. Call yourself Pete. Post title, feel good. Oh wait. Forever. Tags. Wait, let's see what they got here. So we could grab a few tags here. Let's do this. Yeah, much better. So then let's look for some more tags. Let's go for effective. What else? Let's say blood sugar. Yeah. You know what we want. Yeah. So you can just fill in as you want. So big stomach. Yeah. All right. So as it's asking name of this web page. Copy this and put it in here. Post category. Oh, we'll deal with that some other time. Alright, so we fill in our text here. Let's grab a text. Let's grab this one. For example, copy, paste in here. So we can also add our link in here. Let's just say you want this. Okay, so we can make it bold or not bold. Alright, so we'll copy our short link and add it in here. Enter. So you see the link is in there. All right. So let's just continue. So we could call this, what's the name? Lean Belly 3X. It's not a paragraph. We'll take out the link, remove link. All right, then we'll call this heading 2. Good. And then we'll go to our next, and that's this text over here. Where is this? All right, let's just grab this short text. Paste it in here. And let's get the header. We'll remove the link and we'll say it's heading 2. Build this up a bit. Okay, then we could add our link probably here. So you might have a much better text than I do, hopefully. And then let's add it in here. Apply. So you see the text is, the link is right here. Alright, so let's go to the next. The last one. That's Okinawa. Alright, so and this, so we'll just grab this for the meantime. Add it in here. Okay, so that's Okinawa. Let's copy the text, add it, remove the link. Okay, so we'll say this is heading 2. Good. So we could add our link right here. So there we go. We could add the long link as well. You see the shortened link looks much better. Alright, so we'll add a link right here. And apply. There we go. Yes, so we're done. We'll say yeah, let's add our image. Downloads. Let me look for that. It's not here. Oh, there we go. There it is. Okay, and we'll say I'm not a robot. Agree to the terms and conditions. And then submit post. Post category. Oh, let's just pick this. Okay, sorry about that. And submit. Good, so it's been submitted. We done. So it might probably be pending. We'll just wait till it's been accepted and then we'll check it out. All right, so we're back. Let's just check if it's been approved. So you can reset just in case you want to, upload more blog posts. So I guess we'll go to the blogs now. Go to the blog. And there we go. See, this is what you posted. Click on it. Alright, so this is your blog post with your information. See, this is a link leading to your product. Let's try it out. Let's open it. Alright, so this is, where people can start making a purchase, and it's your link. So let's try another one. We had it here. So, and the other was, I guess, here. So let's open this in another link. So we'll open this in another tab, and there we go. And if someone makes a purchase, you get paid. All right, let's check the other. There we go. So it worked out well. So this is your blog post. You can copy this link. You can shorten it as well and post on any other platform that you may wish. So right here, we'll go back to blog posts. You realize this is the blog post to this lesson. You can scroll through, and in the end it says how to promote your new products for free. Yeah, you don't need any paid advertisement for this, at least for this lesson. I'd say you use social media platforms, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook. Just write to your friends and ask them if they want to, give you shout outs. They want to promote your link or your product for you. And you might also ask them to make a purchase. So that's also very good. You also have the option to post in forums, in groups, weight loss forums, weight loss groups. I'm sure you certainly make a purchase. All right, good. Otherwise, you have the paid advertisement, but this course is just free. All right, it's all about creating affiliate marketing business for free. All right, so we're done. Just subscribe, like this post, and drop a comment to get more notifications. We're doing a giveaway, $5 for 5 people. So see you in the next one. Thank you very much.